If you have a double decker, let me show you how to take the top off. So first screw is right here, and the second screw is here, and third one is down there. The fourth one, you have look down the PF motor. And the fifth one is underneath, so you have to take this apart. You take this board out first. And disconnect the tube. There's one screw here, you have to pull it, and so you'll be able to see it. And then there's another screw around this corner. Now this unit can be removed. When you remove the unit, remember take this lever off, and I'm going to post another video show you how to put it on. This is very easy to get lost. I'm gonna have a magnet nearby to catch that spring if I ever get lost. All the trouble is for that screw right here. That's the fifth. The seventh screw is in that hole. So underneath you have another motor, that's the pickup motor that drives this pickup arm.